What's going on, guys? Dave here, Anthem Off-Road Wheels. So you've probably seen one of our advertisements and you're really digging the way that our wheels look, but you're not really sure how those wheels are going to look on your vehicle. Well, good news is we have got a massive gallery of all years, makes, and models of vehicles running Anthem off-road wheels. And today I am going to show you exactly how to look up your vehicle and see what you could look like rolling on a brand new set of Anthem off-road wheels. But, right, if you are busy like I am, there's a pretty good chance you don't regularly sit down at a computer, and maybe your mobile phone is the best way and the most convenient way that you have to look at new wheels. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you today, exactly how you can use this device in your pocket on how to find the perfect set of wheels for your rig. So let's take a look. So the first thing that you want to do is use whatever browser you use to get to anthemwheels.com. So I am an Android guy, so I will use Chrome. We pull that up, so anthemwheels.com, and the very first thing that you will see when you visit that page is right here, and right off the bat, a beautiful brand new Silverado running a set of Avengers. But we're looking for your truck, right? So I want you to hit those three bars on the top right of your browser. And once you're there, you'll see Wheels, Gallery Store, Add My Truck, Partner Brands, Shop Tires, Shop Suspension, Today's Deals, Videos, Blogs, and Fitment Help. So this is really your main source. Those top three lines, your main source for everything that you need to know on Anthem Wheels. Right now, we want to look at the gallery. So tap that gallery button, you pull it open, you can immediately start looking and browsing through vehicles running Anthem off-road wheels. But we want to get down specifically to your vehicle. So tap that vehicle info on the very bottom of the screen, and then you'll be prompted to enter your year. So let's do a 2008. Let's do a Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive. Cool. Hit the search bar, and what we're going to get to see right here is very, very similar vehicles already running sets of Anthem off-road wheels. So this one that comes off right off the bat is running a set of Anthem Instigators. This is a 2014 Ram 1500 on 18x9, negative 12 millimeter Canadi Mud Hogs 305/70 R18. This is a beautiful truck, man. The red and the black accents, everything flows really well. And once you tap on the picture of this vehicle and you start scrolling through, you can see this guy, whoever uploaded this picture, made sure to get that 1/4 angle. He got the side view, he got the front view. And the reason that we ask you to do that when adding vehicles to your gallery is so that other viewers, like us, who are shopping for our vehicle can see exactly what that fitment looks like. But there's way more information here. Also tells us exactly which lift kit he's running on his vehicle, tells us how much the tires cost, and you can hit that build your own setup right here from the gallery and get the exact same setup that this guy is already running, plus the exact same suspension. And still a little bit more, right? So more details on the wheels, aggressive stance about 1 inch outside the fender. And then we talk about the suspension details. He's running a 6-inch Superlift with a Rough Country 2.5-inch leveling kit, just to make the front remain level with the back. And this is and then you look at the rubbing. He's telling us no rubbing, no scrubbing, and no trimming, and he didn't have to run any wheel spacers to get this set up. Guys, that's exactly how easy it is. So I want you to visit anthemwheels.com, hit those three little lines, and view our gallery. Enter your year, make, and model, and you will see a ton of trucks that look very similar to yours with different offsets, different wheels, and different finishes. And you can get a really, really good idea of what your set of Anthem off-road wheels are going to look like on your truck. Check us out, anthemwheels.com. Wheels, tires, suspension, everything you need to make your rig what you want it to be. I'm out.